Last year, I quit my job as an international financial blogger that was paying me over 70,000 rupees per month to become a full-time trader. In this video, I'll be showing you the proof of my performance and how I did it. Hello everyone, I am Ayush Singh and I am the founder of The Logical Traders. First, I'll show you the proof of my salary when I quit my job to become a full-time trader. To do that, I'll be logging into my PayPal account and show you the statement of the last 5 months of my job as a financial blogger. So let me first change the date here to March 2020, which is when I quit my job, and the starting date would be 1st November 2019. These were the last 5 months on the job, and as you can see, I used to work for a company called Hawkfish AS, and this was the invoice that I sent for my salary on a monthly basis to them. The invoice consisted of details like the number of articles I had written, total words I had written, and my pay per word, which was 10 cents per word. And this was every month till March. So if you add these figures 23,693, 84, 860, 61, 127, 1,62,696, and 37,626, you get roughly 3,70,000, and if you divide that by 5, you get my average monthly salary for the last 5 months, which was 74,000. And my salary was directly related to the number of articles I wrote. However, I wasn't consistent with writing as I also manage portfolios of several Indian and international clients. This is why you see massive fluctuations between my salary from month to month. Now, if you Google Hawkfish AS, you will see that it's a Norwegian company and it owns a website called ccn.com, and this is where my articles are. You can even see my profile on ccn.com for yourself. It's under the name of Ayush Singh, and you can also read all my articles over there. So in March 2020, I quit my job to focus on my trading, and now I'll log into my Zerodha account to show you the profits I made in 1 year after I quit my job. So I only started with a capital of 1.35 lakh rupees. The capital was low because I had made many other investments like gold, silver, real estate, and even a private business. I also wrote many bullish gold and silver articles on ccn.com. So from March 2020 to February 2021, in exactly 1 year, I turned the capital of 1.35 lakhs into over 26 lakhs. Out of the 26 lakhs, my profit was roughly 24.7 lakhs. Now let me show you the proof. And let me change the date. Okay, here goes. And profit for equity segment was 3.1 lakh. For futures and options, it was 13.53 lakhs. For currency, there was a loss of 17,000 roughly, and in commodities I made a profit of 8.21 lakhs. And I consider mutual funds to be horrible investments, so this report is empty. And if you add all these figures, you get a profit of 24.67 lakhs, and if you add the original investment of 1.35 lakh, you get account value of over 26 lakhs. And of course, this figure doesn't include the profits that I made in gold, silver, real estate investments. And now to prove that I only started with 1.35 lakhs, I'm going to show you my account statement. I only added money into my account in January and February 2020, so I'm going to show you the statement of these 2 months. And as you can see, my starting balance is almost zero, meaning I had no money in my account before 1st January. Now if you see the pains, this is 50,000 year 2010, then there's a payout of 5,600 roughly, then there are two more pains of 10 and 14,000. On to the next page, 11k pain here, and then two withdrawals of 2300 and 6500 respectively, and then lastly adding 30,000 more. So if you add all the pains and subtract the payouts, you get 1.35 lakhs, and this is what I started out with. Now if you go back to dashboard, you can see this blue line which tracks the value of my account, and these bold blue circles are pains whereas the hollow circles are the payouts. Unfortunately, this line only tracks the last 1 year, and since we are currently towards the end of April, you won't be able to see my account value of March 2020 and the proof of the fact that I added no money in my account after January and February. However, if you visit my website and click on the first video, here you will be able to see the data for March, and you will notice that my account was growing rapidly and there were no pains, or even there were no pains in March or even the remainder of 2020. And a little side note here, on my website you will see that the heading says I turned 1.35 lakhs into 24.44 lakhs. This is because the video on my website shows my profit from 1st January to 31st December 2020, whereas this video shows the value from 1st March 2020 to 28th February 2021, and this is the reason for the difference between both the values. If you want to know what trades I took to make this profit, I will be telling that in an upcoming video. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss it. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking the video by clicking on the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching.